Hi sir, I'm Sudhana from Hyderabad. I saw this ad in Facebook in August. I joined boot camp. Where at the time of joining, I thought that 7 days how KP can be learned. So I joined in this course and the 7 days completed. So that I learned everything in KP. So I was going on analyzing the charts. I got some more doubts. So I thought how to call and all. After that, sir has conducted some middle clarification classes. So I clarified some more doubts. Then after that, I got diploma message from Future University. So again I joined that course. So even in that course, even more 25 topics or 30 topics was covered till now. So this is also helpful for me to get more knowledge of astrology. Even I know KP and Nadi also I learned already. I'm doing my MA second year astrology, Vedic astrology. Even KP is giving instant results. As if Krish sir is telling those classes is very attractive and it is coming to the emotional to the heart actually. Can say. Thanks for today's class, sir. As if instead of coming online, but meeting several people in different states is very good experience. And this is first time coming to me camera actually. So there's some little bit very when I joined, some amount is charged with the boot camp, and next week it is reduced 500 rupees. So that should not be there for the class. It should be common to be at least one course. Other than no more suggestions. This class is going good. Everything is good, sir. Thank you.